Sokuho Kaiten from hira ichimonji no kamae. From this posture, I want to do a side roll, lowering my body to the ground, extending my arms out as though I'm grabbing something on the ground. Make sure that you don't turn your torso into the roll and keep your eyes fixed on a specific point, be it a target or a training partner. Roll across the line of your shoulders and then immediately return to the hira ichimonji no kamae posture. This is a great variation of the side roll in which we use to train students to keep their eyes fixed on a specific point. This is an incorrect way of doing it, by bending your body to the side and rolling over. Here we see a more correct way of doing it. Come down, roll to the side, return to 2 feet, back to kamae. Here I'll do it with a training partner, where we both roll together and maintain eye contact on one another from side to side. This is a great training exercise.